Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to share Messenger QR code. If at the end of this video, guys, you find it so helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. How do you share Messenger QR code? It's very simple. All you need to do is to go to your phone and open up your Messenger. Search for your Messenger. When you open up your Messenger, guys, now at the down page here, you see menu. Click on that menu. When you click on menu, guys, you see this QR code icon here. Just click on it. When you click on it, it will bring your page out like this. Now go ahead and click on the share button at the down page here. To now bring all this option, go ahead and click on copy to copy the QR code. Now if you want to share it on WhatsApp, go back and open up your WhatsApp. Just go ahead and open up the chat and paste the link there. Just go ahead and open up the chat, then paste the link here and go ahead and click on send. When that person open up the link, the person will be able to message you on Messenger. So guys, that's how to share Messenger QR code. If you find this video so helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, give the thumbs up and turn your notification bell for more updates so that you'll be notified whenever I drop my video. Thanks for watching, guys. See you guys in the next video.